Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will create a free shipping discount in Shopify. For this, you will need to be logged into your Shopify dashboard. Next, we will go to discounts. From here, we will click add discount and select the free shipping discount type. Here, you can do a discount code or you can have an automatic discount. You can put that code in. You can select the countries that you would like to add this free shipping to. Then you can have your purchase types for one-time purchase, subscription, or both. You can exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. Then you can set the minimum requirements. If you would like no minimum requirements, you click here. If you would like it to be for a certain amount, you can select here and put the amount. And for minimum quantity of items, you can put that here. Next is eligibility. This is available to all customers. You can also do a specific customer segment or a specific customer. Next will be the maximum discount uses. If you would like to limit the number of times this discount can be used in total, you'll select here and put the number. Or if you want to limit it for one use per customer, you could check here. Next, you can set this discount to be available to be combined with product discounts and order discounts. You can select here the order discounts and the product discounts that you would like. Next, we will have the active date and time, which is based on the creation of the discount code. If you would like to set an end date, you can put that here, but you can update your start dates and your start times here. To the right, we'll have an overview with the code, the type of discount code, and your discount details. For here, you can also select for your sales channel access to allow this discount, which you can use from the point of sale. Then we'll click save. And that is how you create a free shipping discount in Shopify.